everyone, my name is Shrishti Yadav from grade 5A. Welcome to the world of words where each part of speech has its role to play. Together, we create a symphony of language and weaving tales that spark your imagination. Let the show begin.
Welcome to the Parts of Speech Party. I'm Nina, the noun, and I'm all about naming people, places and things.
And I am Preeti, the pronoun. I help you avoid saying the same noun over and over again. Instead of saying Nina loves Nina's party, you can say she loves her party.
Hi everyone, I'm Veera, the verb. I'm here to show action like run, jump and dance.
Don't forget about me, and I am Adam, the adjective. I add flavor to noun like blue sky or happy Nina. And I am Eva, the adverb. I tell you how, when and where to do things like quickly run or very happy.
I am Penny, the preposition. I show relationships like on the table, under the stars.
And I am Clara, the conjunctions. I connect words and phrases like Nina and Preeti. Or I like apples but not bananas. Wow, I'm Ivy, the interjection. I express emotions like yay or oh no.
Let's make a sentence together.
How about Nina runs quickly? Let's add flavor. The happy Nina runs quickly. Great, now let's add a preposition. The happy Nina runs quickly in the park.
Perfect. Now let's join another truth. The happy Nina runs quickly in the park and plays.
Wow, we made a fun sentence together. Thanks for joining our Parts of Speech party. And remember, each part of speech has its role to make the sentence more exciting. Thank you.